Hey everyone, welcome to the video. So, yesterday I shared on Facebook and I got a lot of traction how toxic people aren't bad people. They are just wounded, hurt and traumatized people and programmed and out of alignment. So, like the Illuminati or like abusers, as they're all traumatized. Like Bashar says, it takes a victim to make another victim. So someone who's already a victim of abuse and trauma and perpetration. So just remember this. So someone who is narcissistic, another friend in my Facebook just commented on this post, and she said, I think my mother-in-law or something is like really narcissistic, and it's sad because the pain she's causing our family is like really not nice. But I agree with that. It can be very challenging dealing with people who are traumatized, triggered a lot, whole lot of like wounds, scars on them. They can be selfish. They can be a whole lot of things, adjectives that aren't very nice to experience or to be shared with. But the thing is, I acknowledge this. It's tricky, but at the same time, it's also an opportunity for fantastic and great expansion and heart awakening and raising of our consciousness, our frequency, energy, and vibration. So use this as a opportunity and gift, because the person in your life for a reason, and I believe everything happens for a reason. So use everything to learn, and that's the basic way we progress spiritually in life. Your spiritual teachers are your life. The people in your life, everything in your life is all given for a reason. The present moment is a present from spirit, so to speak. So use it and learn to manage, cope, develop, and gain tools, wisdom, and skills of how to adapt or respond instead of unconsciously react. Consciously and heartfelt response instead of an unconscious reaction. And when this happens, life and the situation and the person becomes far easier to handle and to still surf and to roll with the punches, to go with the flow, and you're just more powerful to make good actions and choices and decisions, and especially emotional responses from more higher frequency. And then you co-create and make a lovelier life for you and for everyone around the place, and you become a healer, a light worker, whatever fancy word you want to use. And this is the beauty of life, and I love this. So have a lovely day. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Life's a beautiful gift. Nothing else to say, so I'll see you again in another video. So feel welcome to subscribe for more if you want more little tips, tricks, and snippets. So beautiful.